The work that's being done here, it's just really inspirational. Every time I walk into the chemistry building, I see Nobel Prizes. I've always loved science. It's something that's always been intriguing to me. I'm just a very curious person, I guess. I just was afraid to pursue it, I guess, initially. After my time in the military, it kind of gave me the confidence to just put myself out there and go after it. I was a carpenter for a few years after I graduated high school, and then I joined the military, served for a number of years. I was a parachute rigger for the Marine Corps for about 9 years. And once I got out, I used the GI Bill to go back to school. My schooling at Suffolk County Community College, where I studied engineering sciences. I just recently graduated, and I am now pursuing a degree in mechanical engineering at Stony Brook University. The greatest thing about being here is the amount of time that I have actually doing the work. You know, you sit in the classroom for however many hours a week, you sit in there, and there's definitely a lot of value to that, but the experience of actually performing the science is invaluable, especially when you look at going and getting a job in a specific field of scientific research or otherwise. This experience, it's absolutely invaluable. Interning with the catalysis reactivity, and what they do here is study various catalysts for the use in energy conversion and advanced fuel synthesis. The reaction that I'm investigating is called the Sabatier reaction, where it is CO2 methanation, so it's from carbon dioxide to methane. This is actually a reaction that is of interest to manned missions to Mars, because once you get to Mars, you need a way to develop propellant, and methane is a pretty energetically inexpensive compound that we can get from carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So if we can figure out ways to reduce the energy requirements of making methane, it can make it that much more feasible. My biggest goal, I guess, in life is to make a difference, to make a positive impact on the world. I guess I've done that in the past with my military service, but to be able to take my talents and my efforts to help change the energy landscape for the future and hopefully make this world a better place, feels good to be a part of it.